about 2.5 cups of cooked farro here. Guys, it's a salad, doesn't matter if it's not exact. If you don't know how to cook farro, I am attaching a video right here, where you can see how to cook it. It's very easy. We're going to add some lemon zest. We won't go nuts. I'm going to add some sliced red onion or purple onion, some chopped parsley, some cut up cucumber. This is an organic cucumber, so I didn't peel it. I have like 10 little cherry tomatoes, which I halved, and I have some broccoli, which I cut into little pieces, okay? All right, we're gonna toss this. I'm going to season this with salt and pepper. The juice of half a lemon. This is a big lemon, guys. And some olive oil. I'm gonna taste it for salt in a minute and serve it. Yeah, taste it for salt. It is beautiful. Look at that delicious salad. That, guys, is really, really flavorful. And so much good stuff on this dish. Really, really nice. Thanks for watching the video. I'm gonna see you soon.